It's been a loveless year.
Hi guys, so I've got a new pair of boots which is Salomon Quest Prime, and I got them for about £98. So before I show you this, I'll show you my other boots. So these are the Salomon 4D. These are about 3 years old. So if I just show you the boots. So basically here is all split. So the actual membrane of the boot is leaking. So it's all split here. I think split the other side as well. So it's all split in here. Same with the other boot, which is here, all split around this region here, and then here. These are starting to come away as well, but I can still wear them, but they just leak. So let's put them aside. Let the unboxing begin. What I wanted to do is open them the other day, but I'm a size 10, so I've got a size 11. These are size 11. So let's see how these are. Open. Keep this as it is in case I need to send it back. I haven't tried these on so let's keep that there. There we go. I picked this colour, so I like the colour, so that's one of them. And the other one smells nice. The laces are done up. Tags on there. That's the grip in the bottom. So if I just get the other boots just to compare, let's give you that. So the soles are a lot different. So apparently these grip into the ground. This bit's more actually aggressive actually. So if I just show you the boots, the comparison on the same bit. Hang on. So if I just show you here, if you can pick it up, probably not. Let me get a bit more light in here. I'm about to redo the video because of the light. So on the bottom, let's compare it to one that's the same. So on the bottom, especially at the heel, it's a bit more aggressive. So hopefully that will grip into the ground a bit better when you're walking. So I walk over different terrain, so let's show you a comparison of the soles. Hopefully, probably blocking the light. So this one's obviously the older one, that one's the young, new one. If I do it side view, yeah. Okay. Alright. That's it basically. I'm going to try these on, so I need to change the angle of the camera, and I'll take these tags off. I'll see you in the next bit. Right, I'm going to try these boots on and see how they fit. Right, let's put these on. Oh, there's a bit of... There we go. Right, like the old Salomons, tight. got a locking system in here. It's got less laces on this one. This is not a full boot, so I'm used to the high ones, but there you go, that's the left one. And then this one. There's a locking system in there. Got less laces in this one. So pivot points, it's a lower boot. Scuffed it a little bit there. And there you go. But I just need to adjust the laces a little bit because they're not tight enough. Especially when you're walking. I'm not wearing 2 pairs of socks, so. Let's try that one. Right, see how comfortable they are. This is straight from the box, so that's fine. Bend. Very comfortable, and that's right. So. Let's compare the size. Actually, a little bit smaller here. I've actually got less laces here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's like one less loop, which is here. So they're roughly the same size. It's just at the back. This is a bit more higher at the back. But made in Vietnam. There you go. Right, before we end the video, I recommend when you're doing hikes, even short or long, you have to have a liner sock. I've picked Smart Wool. There's a bit of a hole in there, so these are ideal for like 3-4 miles. That's a liner sock, and this one is a Darn Tough Merino wool sock. These are not winter ones. So basically, if I use my hand to represent the sock, so you don't see my feet. So what happens when you're walking in a boot, this material is going to rub against there. If you don't have that, for example, about that sock, inside the boot, the material is going to rub against your heel, especially around this region here and here. I've got like, it was just seems like it was sanding away the skin. So these are like £13 a pair. These are about the same. These are merino wool, so these are really good in the winter and the summer. It helps regulate the temperature. I will want to get some winter ones. So let me just check the camera. Keep switching off. There we go. So the rule for this one is I'm going to be using this for hiking only. And hiking to a wild camp where I'm not using fires, because the cause of this, obviously wear and tear, that's heat from the fire. I know that. So these ones are just rough while camping until obviously they get destroyed, and then might have to buy a new pair. But these ones are specifically for hiking, especially when I'm hiking on Dartmoor and the rain literally goes through the material. I'll show you in the next bit what I use to clean them. Right, so I need to get some more of this Nicky wax. So basically what I do when I come back from my hiking or wild camps, I'll get the shower head and just wash it over with a soft cloth, not a hard brush. Don't use a brush. So you're going to wear away all of this. Just a J cloth, just grab like 5 J cloths, 1 J cloth, shower head, rinse all this off, then apply the Nicky wax there, put that on, leave that on for a little bit, put that aside, and then wash the other one, then spray this, and then come back to this one, then rinse off with a clean cloth, and then put that on the side, and then again this one would be sprayed and then left and then washed off with a cloth. Then when you've washed off all the detergent, while it's still wet, you spray this on the outside just to give it that protection, and then just leave them to dry, no heat at all, because essentially this is all plastic. You don't want to be putting heat on this, and it'll last you longer. I got, I think, 2 years out of this until it started splitting there. So I've been in the rain with those original ones. So this is basically to replace this one. These cost me 135 originally from Blacks, and this is from Amazon, £98, reduced from 150. So that's it, guys. That's my take on the Salomon Quest GTX. So that's it. So thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.
Diamond ring, oh, I've been asking for, oh, I've been asking. Problems, problems, problems.